Hello students, in the last lecture we have seen how to find out median of grouped frequency distribution table. Now today we are going to learn how to find out mode of frequency distribution table. Okay, so let us start with today's topic, that is mode. So students, let me start question number 1 of practice set 6.3. You can see the question which is there in the textbook. The following table shows the information regarding the milk collected from farmers on a milk collection center and the content of fat in the milk measured by lactometer. Find the mode of fat content. So in this case you have to find out the mode of fat content. Okay, so this is the table, and by using this table you have to find out mode of fat content. Okay, so same table I have made here in the notebook. You can see here we are given that content of fat in percent and milk collected in liters. Okay, and we want to know the mode of fat content. Okay, now see how to find out mode. See students, I am expecting you all are knowing the formula of mode, and if you are not knowing, then let me tell you the formula. So the formula of mode is equal to L plus bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now what is L, what is F1, F0, F2 and H, that we will come to know from the table. Okay, so first thing is what you have to see, which is the highest number you can see in this frequency table. So here you can see the maximum number is what, 80. Since it is maximum, so this will be your F1. Just above this you will have F0, and below this you will have F2. Okay, and this F1 belongs to your model class. So your model class is what, 4 to 5, and the lower boundary of this is 4. Okay, so how to do this? First thing is what, select the highest frequency, that will form F1, above that F0 and below that F2, and this F1 belongs to model class, and the model class lower boundary is L. So L is what, 4. Okay, so from the table we can write what is L value, 4. What is F1, F0, F2. F1 is 80, F0 is 70, and F2 is 60. And what is H? H is what, difference between a lower boundary, or you can take upper boundary. So here the difference is of 1, so H value is 1. Okay, so we have all the values. Now we can substitute all the values in this formula to get the mode. Okay, so let us substitute the values. What is L here? L is 4, plus what is F1, 80, F0, 70. Now in the upon you are having 2 into what is F1, 80 minus F0, 70 minus F2, 60 into H value is 1. Okay, now see the next step. 4 plus 80 minus 70 gives you 10. Here 80 to is 160 minus, see both are negative, so add it, 70 plus 60 gives you 130. Okay, into 1. Understood now? 80 to is 160 and minus sign is there. 70 and 60 you are going to add, because both are negative, so both will be added. So 70 plus 60 gives you 130 and minus sign is there. Now what will be our next step? 4 plus 10 into 1 gives you 10, and upon is how much? 160 minus 130 is 30. Now you can cancel 1 0, and now finally what you are going to do? 4 plus divide 1 by 3, and if you do that you will get 0.33. Okay, and if you add 4 plus 0.33, you will get 4.33. So finally you can write your answer, that is mode of fat content. Therefore mode of fat content is 4.33%. Okay, you can see here percent is there, content of fat in percent. So finally you will write 4.33%. Okay students, so I have completed question number 1. So let me revise it for you. First thing is what? Make your table as it is, and then what you will see? You will see the highest value, and since highest value is 80, call it F1, then F0, F2 will be just above and below. Then lower boundary of F1 forms your L. So after that write all the values which you are getting from the table, and then write H value, and then use your formula to calculate mode. Substitute the values properly and simplify it to get your final answer, and then write your final answer, that is mode of fat content is 4.33%. Okay, so students, I have completed question number 1. Now question number 2 and 3 you are going to do by your own. I am going to solve question number 4. Okay, so see the question. The following frequency distribution table gives the ages of 200 patients treated in a hospital in a week. Okay, so this is how much is the data. This is the data of age of patients and how many patients are treated in the hospital in a week. Okay, and total 200 patients are given. So less than 5 years of age, 38 patients were there. Then age 5 to 9, 32 patients were there. 10 to 14, 50 patients were there. So this is the data, and you need to find out mode of ages of the patients. Okay, so let us solve this question. Okay, now see here, already I have made the table, and you can see here I have made one more column, that is for continuous class. Why? Because here class is not continuous, because here your class is ending at 9 and here your starting point is 10. So both are not same, and that has to be same whenever you are calculating median or mode. So make for that we have to make it same. Now see, what is the difference between 9 and 10? 1. What is the difference between 14 and 15? Again 1. So between any two classes you can see there is a gap of 1, and you know half of 1 is 0.5. So what you are going to do? You are going to subtract 0.5 to the lower boundary and add 0.5 to the upper boundary, and keep your first class as it is. Okay, so keep your first class less than 5 as it is, and then what you are going to do? You are going to subtract 0.5 here and add 0.5 here. So if you add 0.5 here now, you will get 9.5, 14.5, 19.5, 24.5, 29.5. Okay, and if you subtract here now, so before 5 you know 4 is there, so right here 4.5, 9.5, 14.5, 19.5, 24.5. Okay, so I have made this class continuous. Now we need to search for F0, F1 and F2. So for that purpose, see the highest value from this, and if you see that, you will get 50. So this 50 is your F1. Above F1 you are having F0, and below that you have F2. So you have F0, F1, F2, and what is the lower boundary of this? You will see this one. You have to see lower boundary of continuous class. So now you have L, F0, F1, F2. Okay, and what will be your H? So find out the difference between any two, lower or upper. So if you do that, 9 minus 4 gives you 5. So your H value is 5. So let us write all the values which we got here. F0, F1, F2, then you have L and you have H. What is F0 here? 32. What is F1? 50. F2 36. What is L? 9.5. And what is H? 5. Now use formula of mode. Mode is equal to L plus bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now let us substitute the values. What is L here? 9.5 plus what is F1? 50. F0 32. Here 2 into F1, so 50 minus F0 is 32 minus F2. F2 is 36 into what is H? 5. Let us simplify this. This is 9.5 plus 50 minus 32 gives you 18. Okay. Here 52 is 100 minus add these two, so 68 you are going to get here. Okay. 32 plus 36 gives you 68. Okay. Now see the next step. 9.5 plus 18 into 5 upon 100 minus 68. If you do 10 minus 8, 2. Here 9 is remaining. 9 minus 6 gives you 32. Okay. Now what you are going to do? You are going to do cancellation by 2. This is 2 9 ja 18 and this is 2 16 ja 32. So finally you are having here 9.5 plus 9 5 ja 45 upon 16. Now you have to divide 45 by 16. Okay, so let me divide it for you. This is rough work you are going to do in rough. So I am showing here how to do this. 16 2 is what? 32. Do subtraction. Okay, take point here, then you can have 1 0 here. 16 60. You have to read the table of 16. 16 8 ja 128. Subtraction gives you 20. 1 ja 16. So finally you are going to get here 2.81. Okay, now you have to add it. So 1 8 5 13, 1 carry, so 12. So here you got 12.31. So let me write the final answer. Therefore mode of ages of the patients is 12.31 years. Okay, so finally you are going to get answer. Mode of ages of the patients is how much? 12.31 years. Okay, so now I am expecting you will complete your practice set 6.3 by your own. Now in the next class we will do next exercise. Okay, so till then, bye, take care of yours.